When in doubt, use your leg powers. A lot more stronger. Dude, that's so tight. That is so tight.
I really feel like I'm powerlifting right now.
Yeah, just power lift that bitch. Go Super Saiyan Blue. Super Saiyan God, Super Saiyan.
Got you.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Oh, he about to do this shit.
Shut up, man. Ah! Fuck, that is on there. I'm sweating and shit. Oh, damn, I'm dizzy.
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm gonna try it again.
That is on there.
Alright, here we go.
Somebody come look at this. Oh, he about to do this shit.
Oh, what the hell? How did you do that?
Those bolts are on there. They're tied on there.
You're more than on there. It's like fucking Jesus put them on. What is that? I feel I'm about to throw my back out.
Mr. Davis is going for the mount. He is now mounting, as you guys can tell. Look at that form into the locking position. Ladies and gentlemen, you see his form in his grip. Face of concentration. A moment of silence. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
In the pool.
Look at this. Somebody come
Look
and
at that form, ladies and gentlemen.
Look at this.
Oh, and there he goes, ladies and gentlemen. He got it. He got it, ladies and gentlemen. Excuse me, Mr. Davis. You have anything to say for the accomplishment of taking that lug off?
Yeah, me and my partner, you know, we were trying. Gave it our all. First, the bolt was really committed to staying on there.
Yeah.
And but you know, with just hard work and perseverance, we just persevered through it. Just stayed, you know, just stayed with our bodies, and yeah, just really put out a put out a good performance.
Okay, Mr. Davis. One last question before you go. Is it true that you and Black China are fucking?
Mr. McNeil warming up. It's looking pretty good today. It's looking pretty confident. Lining up. Looks like he's going for the 11/16. Interesting selection. Here goes the dismount.
Oh, he about to do this shit.
Oh, my goodness. That was crazy. That was insane. Looks like he's not done. Changing up his form. Interesting. Oh my goodness.
Look at this.
Looks like this one's a big challenge.
Look at this.
Here we go.
That was
Oh my goodness. He couldn't do it.
Ladies and gentlemen, here he goes. Going with the November form. This is the form that Dr. Davis made himself. But he's bringing in the help of a tool. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to our up close cam. And there he goes, ladies and gentlemen. A quick singular pull, and it was done just like that.
I'm going for a double-double.
He's going for a double-double, ladies and gentlemen. He sets his form. Moment of silence. There he goes, ladies and gentlemen. He did a 2 for 2. Well done. Thank you for tuning in to the 2017 bolt breaking series. This is your host, Dick Drizzles. Mr. Davis,
Yes.
before we cut to our sponsors, is there anybody you wanted to thank for the success this year? Your coach, your parents?
I just like to, you know, really thank my parents first. If it wasn't for them, I remember back in the day when I was a kid, whenever I'd cut up in school or, you know, just out there on the streets being bad, they say, hey, we need you to go out there, jack up a car, and break some bolts. So,
That was too funny.